Hello and welcome to another ROFFS Ocean Conditions update for the Gulf of America, Gulf of Mexico for the week of August 4th and the 5th, 2025. Um, Getting right into the update, what you're looking at here is a combination of ocean color imagery taken from this past weekend when it was semi-clear overall. Um, what you're looking at here, you will see down here is the clockwise circulation of the loop current. Still a counterclockwise circulation down here west of the Tortugas. Seems to be getting pulled a little bit westward. Remains to be seen if this will form into a loop current eddy, but right now looks like you have some flow here into the Florida Straits and the clockwise flow of the loop current, so we're going to call it the loop current for now. Um, on the northwestern side, you have a little bit of a counterclockwise circulation in here, pushing water towards the dump site south-southeast of the Mississippi Delta. Um, Blue water pushing in south of the Double Nipple over Atwater Valley, west of the Lloyd's Ridge. Over to the east off of Tampa, you have a big counterclockwise rotating eddy here on the eastern side of the loop current. You have a lot of blue water in here close inshore 20 fathoms off of Tampa, creating some good conditions, good edges for kingfish, sailfish, blackfin tuna, and good tuna, wahoo, dolphin, and billfish offshore in the bluer water. This eddy, along with another eddy up here south of the spur in the DeSoto Canyon, that's circulating, that eddy in the DeSoto Canyon circulating some cleaner green and blue-green water in here south of the wings and the squiggles up towards the unexploded ordnance, south of the nipple and into the DeSoto Canyon. That feature has been in there for a few weeks now. Lots of blue water towards the Florida middle grounds and off Destin, Panama City, Cape San Blas. Water sort of blends to more blended blue to blue green as you get up towards DeSoto Canyon. But there were some massive 200 plus pound yellowfin caught in the past couple of weeks on the ledges south of the Madison, Swanson, south of the Wings, and south of the Squiggles. And this is the same water. All the water in the Eastern Gulf is pretty much 86 to 88 degrees now. So don't be surprised if you catch some white marlin as well in the blue green, the clean green water inshore of 100 fathoms close to shore. That's normally what happens this time of the year, August and through Labor Day. Good blue water edges out here, south of the Soto Canyon, south of Double Nipple, along the northern side of the water being circulated around by the loop current, but inshore, west of the Soto Canyon, towards the steppes, towards the Redfish Valley, Gulfport Valley, Chandeleur Valley, all the way down Mississippi Canyon, and the dump site. There's a lot of green water. You have this wide swath of green water, probably about 30 miles wide, being pulled down between the dump site and the Green Canyon. And if you're going to fish to the west, off of South Pass, I mean southeast along the northwestern and northern edges of this blue water is a good shot. Or if you want to head off to the west, we would suggest west of the dump site, south of the Mississippi Canyon into the Green Canyon. We have a clockwise rotating eddy in here to the southwest of the dump site over towards the Green Canyon. This features circulating some nice cleaner blue water, creating some nice edges and some nice color changes over towards the Green Canyon area. Working your way westward over towards the auger rig, the Gunnison rig, you have a circulation in here, some nice bluer water working its way in there. Further west, south of the Texas-Mexico border, you have a counterclockwise circulation of blended blue water in here. An overall clockwise circulation here, southwest of the dump in the western Gulf, centered out towards the Hoover Diana rig. The clockwise circulation of dark blue water of this feature, along with the counterclockwise circulation of this feature down south, continues to pull an abundance of blue water into the western Gulf, up over the Texas Canyon, up over the Colt 45, over towards the disused explosives dumping area, up towards the East Breaks and all the way across on the ledges over towards the Flower Garden areas. You got continuing blue water in here, Falcon's Nest, in towards Aransas Bank, Big Southern down towards Ranzel's Rocks. This blue water is in 20 fathoms and inshore in some places. A lot of good conditions in the Western Gulf. The tournaments in the past 2 weeks, there's been a lot of billfish released. There has been quite a bit of sailfish, probably because of that blue water's pushed inshore as far inshore as 20 fathoms in some areas. There has also been quite a few white marlin and blue marlin on these offshore blue water edges. Of note, has not been any blue marlin of size weighed yet, as far as I know, in any of the tournaments in the Western Gulf. We'll see if that changes with this week's Texas Legends tournament. That's it for this update. We'll come at you again in 2 weeks. Remember, you can always order on our website, www.roffs.com, 24/7. Follow us on social media at Ross Fishing on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.